Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on your LG Smart Washer top loader. So this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you just got the LG Smart Washer. How do you actually go ahead and turn it on? Maybe you're also in an Airbnb and you see one of these washers, but you don't actually know how to turn it on. Well, to simply put, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. But in order to turn it on, it's actually this faint power button that you see there on the left hand side. Like even on camera, it's kind of difficult to see. But in order to turn it on, all you've got to do is press the power button and you can see it now lights up. So there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and turn on your LG Smart Washer top loader. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually go ahead and turn this on, let me know in the comments down below. And in case you're wondering how to actually go ahead and start it, all you've got to do is click on the start button that you see right over here, and it'll go ahead and start. But thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys all in the next one.